So if you're having problems with Heartopia here and you're stuck on the login page, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, usually this happens when you're trying to log in, obviously, based on this problem. But there are a few settings here that you need to make sure that you turn on or you want to change in order for you to log in successfully. So what we need to do is you want to go and just visit or start opening up the browser that you're using or what you're usually using to log in. Like for example, I'm using, let's just say, Google Chrome here when logging in. So when you try logging in the login screen, it should open up your browser here. So what you need to make sure is you enable local network access. So typically you will enable that by clicking on the filter icon at the top left here and just open it up. But if you don't want to do that yourself here, you can go and click on the three-dot option at the top right here, and you want to go and just choose the option that says settings. Now inside settings here, you want to go ahead and look for the option for privacy and security, and in here you want to go and look for site settings. And under site settings here, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to go ahead and click on additional permissions. And again, you want to look for local network access. You go and select this one. And from here, you can go ahead and just make sure that site can ask to connect to any device on your local network. You need to make sure that that's actually enabled. And it's going to go back one page here. So yeah, I think that's about it. So just make sure that whenever local network access here is actually pops up, you want to go and just make sure to allow that once it actually does pop up. And also one more thing, if you don't want to do that, once you actually try logging in, I would highly recommend you to copy the website address, and you can also add it manually here. So you can go and click on add here and just add the URL for that specific login page that open up, or the tab that open up in here, so that it actually allows you to use your network connection here to log in into your account in Heartopia. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.